Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you a little LED drop light that we got off of Amazon. It's a pretty simple thing. We're just going to be using it to help light up our engine bays and undercarriages on our cars. But this is what's in the package of it, and I'll have it linked in the description for you so you can find the exact same one that I got. Basically, you've got your main LED light right here. You also have a flashlight on the end if you need it. It's a rechargeable light. You recharge it by unscrewing the end cap and plugging it in with the included micro USB cable. It's also got a USB port, so you can charge any USB device off of this, apparently. Probably not a feature I'll use, but it's there if you're interested in it. And it's waterproof, which is why it's got an end cap over the end. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing charged up, and we'll show you how it works and test it out. Alrighty, so we got the light charged up for a little bit, and I'm just going to show you some of the features of it and how it kind of works and how we're planning on using it. So basically, whenever you first hit the on button, it turns on the flashlight. You can see it's a pretty decent flashlight. You kind of drop it down in if you need to inspect something in an engine bay. Pretty nice. Now, whenever you hit the button again, you get the main light on low, then medium, then high. And you can see, without a light, that's about what the engine bay looks like. And if we stick the light on the hood using the magnets, it lights it up quite a bit better. So that's probably the main thing that we're going to be using the light for. And of course, you can drop it down into the engine bay and light up different areas as well. It also has what they call a mosquito repelling feature, which I assume just means an orange light because a warmer tone of light doesn't attract bugs, at least not as much as cool light. And it also has this, which they call the emergency mode. And that's basically your red and blue. Not sure how legal that is in the US, but it might be nice to have in case you have an emergency. You know, keep one of these in the trunk of your car or something like that. You know, use it as an alternative to a flare. So, that covers all the features of this thing. Just wanted to show you in a quick video what we're going to be using this for and how it works. If you're interested in one, it's in the link below. Thanks for watching.